Hello, everyone, and welcome to this balancing breathwork class that can only be found here in the Breathe and Balance Nervous System Regulation course. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you find so much value in these practices. And for this practice, as well as our other breathwork and our meditation practices, I do recommend having a bolster to sit on. And you can just place it back behind your hips to elevate your hips up a little bit so they're higher than your knees. For most of us, we have really tight psoas, and this helps with your posture throughout these practices. You're also always welcome, I'm going to scoot back a little bit. You're always welcome to do any of our breath work or meditation laying down, on your couch, on a chair, standing up, really whatever helps you have a straight spine. The goal is to keep the crown of our head over our shoulders, which are over our hips, and really just get comfortable is what matters. I know from experience how much it sucks to be in the middle of a super awesome meditation and all of a sudden your back starts cramping. So be gentle with yourself. Try to keep yourself comfortable. Drink plenty of water. And I also recommend for this practice having a block. Not necessary, but I find that when I'm doing certain breath works that involve my hands, things like that, mudras, the etc. It can be nice to have something to rest my arm on. Anyways, those are all the logistics. I'm so happy you're here. Take a minute to pause this video, grab whatever you need to be comfortable, sweater, water, block, bolster, pillows, blanket, etc. And I will meet you right back here in a comfortable seated position. To start this practice, I invite you to close your eyes or soften your gaze down towards your nose and to set an intention, bringing to mind something in your life that may feel a little bit out of balance. Maybe that's something at work, something in your home life, your spiritual practice, or maybe some days you're just out of balance and you can't pinpoint why. But bringing those feelings into the forefront of your mind. And now begin to repaint that picture. What does it look like for this situation, these feelings, to be completely balanced? Using the power of visualization, rewrite your own story. If you're feeling out of balance at work, what does that work balance feel like? What do you look like walking into a balanced version of you? What are you wearing? What does that clothing feel like? What does the air around you feel like? What do your interactions with the people in your life feel like? Trying to be as descriptive as possible with this feeling. And when we're very deep in a dysregulated state, it can be hard to even imagine what balance is. And so be kind to yourself. This by no means has to be perfect, 100%, flip of a switch, everything's better. We can take baby steps on our journey to regulation, to a beautiful, balanced lifestyle. And as long as you're showing up and committing to yourself, you're making that progress. And 1% every day is more beneficial to you than nothing at all. So be proud of yourself here in this moment. Keeping this balanced version of your life in the forefront of your mind, begin to bring awareness to your breath. Notice, without changing anything, the quality of your breath. Where your breath lands in your body, if it's shallow or deep, if you're breathing rapidly or maybe very slowly. And how does each breath feel as it's entering in through your nose and traveling to your lungs and back out through your body? Now, gently beginning to extend your inhales and exhale. We are going to do 2 times breathing, meaning whatever count we inhale for, we exhale for double that amount. We'll begin simply inhaling for 3, 2, 1, and exhaling for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If this is too much for you already, feel free to go 2 and 4. I'm going to keep the count with 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if that feels good, stay there. If you'd like to extend it, we'll go for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here or inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Returning to your normal breathing pattern. Taking a moment to check in with how that breath work made your body feel, in your mind, in your spirit, what came up for you. From here, we're going to transition into Nadi Shodhana breath, or alternate nostril breathing. If you have a block and want to use it, go ahead and place that on your right thigh, placing your right elbow on top of it. I recommend you open your eyes to watch this part because it can be a little confusing to just listen to. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana breath, is a beautiful balancing breathwork pattern that works on connecting both hemispheres of our brain, our left brain, that logic center, and our right brain, that beautiful creative center. And in that balancing solar and lunar energy, or masculine and feminine energy, it brings it all together to create that harmony and that balance within our lives. So, bringing your pointer finger and your ring finger, your pointer finger and your middle finger together, extending your thumb, and then you can use your ring finger or your pinky finger, whatever is more comfortable, placing your pointer finger and your middle finger onto your third eye, covering your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale in through the left. Take your ring finger to your right. Take your ring finger to your left nostril. Open up through the right nostril and exhale. Inhale through the right. Cover the right nostril. Exhale out through the left. Inhale, close and switch. Exhale, inhale, close and switch. So basically, every time you are exhaling, inhale. Every time you inhale, you're switching sides for the following exhale. So I inhale right, exhale left. And I'm going to let you do this on your own time, with your own rate of breathing. And we're going to be doing this for 4 minutes. Inhaling in, exhaling out. Switching after each inhale. Allowing yourself to be fully immersed with your breath. If you haven't closed your eyes already, I highly recommend that you do. You're halfway through. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Thinking whatever thoughts are coming across your conscious path and allowing them to gently drift away as you continue to focus in on your breathing. Next time you exhale out through your left nostril, gently release your hand down to your lap. Resume your normal breathing patterns and recall that image of your balanced life. Allowing this sense of harmony, calmness, and connectedness, the essence of balance, to radiate through you and your being. Knowing that you have the power, the capability, and the self-regulation skills to move through each day with balance, grace, and ease. And when you don't, that's okay, because you always have the ability to return to the place of balance. We'll close this class by taking one final breath together, inhaling your arms up overhead, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center, gently opening your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm wishing you all the best. And I'll see you in the next class. Bye.